The BJP National General Secretary Arun Singh is on a two-day visit to Shillong from today to boost the morale of the BJP workers of Meghalaya. In his speech, he emphasized on the 7 years achievement of Modi government and also how the central government has helped the people during the first and second COVID lockdown. He urged the party workers to reach the people at the grassroots level and convince them about the achievement of the Modi government. Arun Singh also inquired about the Mandal committees and booth committees in the district and told the members to work hard so that the party can form its own government in 2023. Others who spoke on the occasion were Ajay Jamwalji, North East Zonal Secretary Organization, State President Ernest Maury and Sanbor Shalai, Cabinet Minister of Meghalaya.
See the booth and mandal programs to ensure the vaccination drive that should go on, the free ration that is announced by the Modi government, that should also be drive should be on, and this is my opportunity. I feel proud and very happy to be here. The Karkarta, they have attended with the social distancing here and to review the organization activities also here and to boost up the party Karkarta, their work. You know, the Congress leadership is totally failed. Nobody believes now the leadership under the Rahul Gandhi. So the Congress it has no ideology itself. They are taking U-turn. Congress is taking U-turn every time, and for the sake of they are opposing for everything. Even for the good thing that the Modi ji is doing, the Congress party is opposing. हर चीज़ को कांग्रेस अपोज ही कर रही है. And the Congress is doing all negative or destructive politics nowadays. The people of the country, they are watching. And if the leadership is not good, definitely the party cannot grow in the state. So nobody has the faith in the leadership of the Rahul Gandhi. That's why I say that in Meghalaya the Congress will be wiped out. It is being wiped out from most of the states. Now it is a turn of the Meghalaya. From here also the Congress will be wiped out. And BJP will take a place, and most of the seats the BJP will win where the Congress is there. This is what I can only say. The state leaders and the chief minister will say something about it. BJP, I say only one thing: the BJP is one. There is only one goat, only the BJP. There is no infighting. Everyone is working along with.